example of another organizational structure. So it is the hierarchy of urban business company. So there is one president, John Smith, and under him there will be three vice presidents. One is for marketing, one is for sales, and one is for production. So Susan Jones is a vice president for marketing, and Rachel Parker is vice president for sales, and Tom Elian is vice president for production. So under each vice president there are two managers. So for marketing, Elias Johnson is the manager for marketing, and Tim Morey is the manager, another manager for marketing. And for sales, Michael Gross is one manager and Kim Dole is another manager. And for production, Kathy Roberts is one manager and Betsy Foster is another manager. So in this way, as I said, the hierarchy differs from company to company and project to project. So no company is going to have the same hierarchy. But whatever the hierarchy I have explained before, so maximum level 5 companies are going to follow that hierarchy. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So just for a recap, you go through these notes. So you can read by yourself. In case if you are having any doubts, you just get back to me, or else if you complete reading, just let me know. I will turn to next page.
Stakeholder is nothing but any client.
Yeah. Do you have any doubt, Madhuri?
I was just asking, stakeholder means that is referred to any client.
So I will be explaining the meaning of stakeholder. Next, we are going to see what is a stakeholder and what are the different types of stakeholders.
Okay.
So did you complete it? Shall I go to next page?
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm done with it.
Completed?
Yeah. Nikki, one question.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, the previous slide.
Okay.
No, I understood. Like, can you just give me that example again for the product-based IT companies, like the bank one, right? The HDFC or something you
Yeah.
mentioned. So could
The,
you just explain one more time?
okay.
And the application-based, I'm clear. Like the product-based, one more time.
Okay. So in product-based IT companies, what happens is the
Yeah.
IT company is going to develop one product. Okay. After
The
development of
IT.
that, yeah,
Yeah, the IT companies you said,
yeah.
right?
IT company is
Hmm.
going to develop one product, and after
Mm-hmm.
development of that product, it is going to do advertisement about that product. So
Okay.
advertisement can be done in any source, like by giving company ads or by providing road shows or anything. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So once if they get clients, then they are going to customize that particular product according to the client requirement.
Okay.
Okay. So they are going to customize their product according to the client requirement, and they will install that product on the client server. Okay. As I
Okay.
said, Microsoft has developed Finacle software, so which is
Mm-hmm.
related to financial services. So Finacle software, how the Microsoft has been developed is it has taken nearly 15 years to develop Finacle software. Okay, it has done a rigorous analysis on all financial services, and it has collected all the requirements, and it has kept all the requirements, all the services which are related to financial under a bunch. That is nothing but Finacle. Okay. So
Yeah.
if a particular company, if a particular bank want to use Finacle software, so it
Mm-hmm.
can do all transactions. It can do banking transactions, it can do loan management system, it can do wealth management, it can do mutual funds, it can do insurance, it can do trading. So all these features are there in Finacle.
Hmm.
Okay. So Microsoft has developed this product in such a way that all features are available. Now it has given a demo for ICICI Bank. Okay. Now what ICICI Bank is decided is to use this Finacle software only for account management system. So ICICI Bank is into different sectors, like it is into accounts, it is into loans.
Yeah.
ICICI Bank is going to give two-wheeler loans, four-wheeler loans, personal loans, and everything. Okay, and it is into insurance. So there is ICICI Lombard, like that insurance is there, and ICICI mutual funds are there, and ICICI trading is there, and ICICI wealth management is there. But ICICI Bank want to use this Finacle software only for account management system. That means whoever the customers belongs to savings bank or fixed deposit account or current account, so all those transactions should be operated by Finacle software. Okay.
Yeah.
So they have given this requirement to the Microsoft. Boss, I'm going to take your Finacle software, but I want only these transactions to be routed with Finacle software. Then what Microsoft will do is it will customize that Finacle software according to the ICICI Bank requirements. So it will
Mm-hmm.
enable only those features which ICICI want, and it will disable all other features, and it will install that product in the ICICI Bank server. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is now ICICI Bank will become a customer to the Microsoft.
So,
Okay. In the same way, it is going to do for HDFC, it is going to do for Standard Chartered, or if any other banks are coming, it is going to do in the same way. Now, the product belongs to Microsoft, and ICICI Bank is taking services from Microsoft. So they both will come into contract, saying that okay, I'm not going to go with any other product for my account transactions for 5 years. So you need to provide a technical support for 5 years. Whatever the problem I am getting, or if I in future if I want to increase some features, or in future if I want to make some modifications, so you need to cooperate with me. In this way, there will be a contract between Microsoft and ICICI Bank. Then Microsoft will say that okay, I am going to agree with your contract, and these are the charges I am going to charge. He says that for each and every technical problem, I am going to charge $40 per hour. And if you are giving any new features, if you want any new features in that particular product, I am going to charge $1,000. And in case if you are facing any problem, then for each problem I am going to charge per resource $40. In this way, they are going to quote some prices. Okay, then
Mhm.
ICICI Bank accepts that. So those two, then this Microsoft and ICICI Bank will get into a contract for 5 years. Okay, so once after 5 years, then again Microsoft will ask to ICICI Bank whether do you want to continue, or you are going to return my software. Then ICICI Bank says no, I want to continue, and again it is going to renewal that contract. Okay, in this
Mhm.
way, the business in product based IT companies goes here.